Okay, so it needs to go in that order, okay? It needs to say angle, then the side, then the angle. So in all reality, you should be able to put your pencil, okay, on the first angle and drag your pencil without lifting it up and take it to a side and another angle. If you have to lift your pencil up to move it, like up to here, to get that to work, then it does not work, okay? It needs to be angle, side, then an angle, okay? So I can't use this angle because then it would be angle, angle, side, okay? Then it needs to be in between those two. Then angle, angle, side is just that. Same thing. If you put your pencil down, and you should start at an angle, angle, and then the side, okay? Or angle, angle, side. You cannot have it be something like over here, okay? Because then it would be angle, angle, and then either no side or angle, angle, okay? So it needs to work out correctly. Okay, so let's look at today's. Same thing, I put the option of NA on there, okay, for no information. Or we got angle, side, angle, 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 side. Okay, so what is given already? Sammy, you're just gonna listen.
Okay.
Angle, angle. Okay, so we got angle, angle. Okay, we know that. Do we know anything else? Is there anything we can mark?
No.
You can. You can mark the one in the middle. Why? So what's the rule if the two triangles are touching?
Isn't it that they share the same side?
They share the same side, which means it's congruent. So we can mark this side. We know that it's an equivalent side, and so we can mark that. So is that going to help us at all? Could we say angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side?
Angle, side, angle.
Okay, so pick a spot and start. So if I put my pencil here, what am I on?
Angle. Side.
So what is that? Angle, angle, side. Okay, look at 3. What are we given? We're given an angle. What else?
Side.
Okay, is there anything we can mark? We can mark in the middle. Why? Yeah, so these are both touching. This bottom side is this bottom side, which means they have to be congruent. Okay, so pick your pencil, put it on a side or an angle first and see what you got. Okay, well, we've got a side, side, angle. Does that help us any?
No.
No, it's not any of our options, so it has to be NA.
Not applicable.
Okay, it's got to be NA. There's not enough information there for us to do anything with. Okay, look at 5. What is marked? What is pre-marked for us? 2 angles. Okay, is there anything we can mark? The middle. Okay, so pick your pencil, start on one of the triangles. Okay, I'm going to start here. So I'm at an angle, side, angle. Does that help us? Angle, side, angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of the options. So it's going to be angle, side, angle. Okay, look at 7. What is marked? Angle and a side. Okay, is there anything we can mark? Huh? You mean right here?
Yeah.
What can we mark that?
Angle.
Yeah, you can mark these angles. What are they called? Starts with a V. Vertical angles. Okay, it is a vertex though, but they're vertical angles. Okay, so we know 2 angles and we know a side. Would the angle, angle, side work?
Yeah.
Or angle, angle, side? Angle, side, angle, 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 side.
Possibly.
Would that work?
Maybe.
You got to put your pencil somewhere and see. Okay, so if we start here, we got side, angle, angle. Does that work?
No.
No, it's not. It's not really in the right order. Okay, so pick a different part to start. What if we start here? Where am I starting? Angle.
Angle. Side.
Does that work? Yeah. Okay, still cross all that out. Okay, look at 9. Okay, what's marked?
An angle,
Side.
2 angles, and 2 sides.
2 angles, 2 sides, okay, or 1 side, 1 angle. Is there anything that we can mark? We can mark the vertical angles in the middle. Okay, now pick your pencil, start on somewhere, see if it's going to work out. Okay, so we could start here. What am I starting at?
Angle.
Angle, angle, side. Does that work out? Yeah.
I can see another way. Angle, side angle.
Which one?
The go to angle, then go to side, and then angle.
Right here? Is that where you're starting?
No, from one tip to the bottom tip to the middle tip.
This one?
Yes.
So side,
Angle.
angle, angle. Does that work?
No, I mean side angle side.
You come show me.
Like this.
Cross in the middle, go up, and then the bottom.
Like this.
Okay, but you're going angle. Then this is a side. Is that side marked?
Oh my.
No, so you can't do it that way.
Let's see.
Okay, so this is what he was talking about. He was saying start. Did you start from here?
Yes.
So he started here at an angle. He went down here. And then he went up here. You cannot do that. So this says angle. What is this that we're traveling on?
Side?
A side. Is that side marked? No, so you can't do it. Yeah, it has to be on the marked sides and the marked angles. So you can't go that path because it's not going to work out. Okay? Look at 11. Okay, 11, we got these 2 triangles. What do we know?
I bet they're sharing a point.
Huh?
Wait, what was number 9?
Okay, we know 2 angles and we know a side. We're on number 11. Okay, now, there was a tricky one yesterday on your guys' worksheet.
I can't do that. No, it's cool. Last time I did that, I thought I should put my neck.
Ready? And
No, bro, all my whole neck was numb like the last time I did that.
Broke my neck when I tried to crack it.
Oh man, it's like gonna break a neck.
For those of you guys, you can look at number 6 on your yesterdays. If you look at those 2 triangles, they have 2 sides marked, okay? And they have an angle marked. If they're not the same sides marked on the 2 separate triangles, so for example, they had this side marked and they had this side marked. If you ignore this one, okay, just ignore it. They have to be the same side marked, okay? It's like a trickery to an extent, okay? And so when you follow the path, it's not necessarily going to work out. So make sure that you're paying attention to where the markings are at and that they're equivalent. If this one has 1, then this one should have 1, or not 2 or whatever, okay? Okay, so we got 2 angles marked and a side marked. Does that work out? Okay, if we start here, I'm at an angle, side, angle. Okay, angle, side, angle. Okay, look at 13. What is marked? one angle, one set of angles. Is there anything we can mark?